righty. We made it to Ibiza. We're on the strip right now. It's so cute. What is it like? It's like Vegas. No,
you're so wrong.
No, it's like if Vegas was on the beach mixed with like a kid's boardwalk. Ocean Club! We're getting ready to go. We got tickets in advance because they're cheaper. I don't know. They're €30 at the door.
But 25 if you get them in advance.
Yeah.
Pro tip. Although that lady on the street told us it was like $60 to get in. She's like, oh yeah, it's a big discount if you buy our package for €120 because it's 60 to get into one club, so we can get into 3. Like, no, you can get into 3 for what, 75 probably?
Yeah.
If you pay in advance.
I want to do my hair. Curl my hair, see?
Oh wait, no, let's sit this way.
Look at that. I'm wearing
So
all white.
pretty. Let's show off the fit. We're gonna go sideways for 1 second.
Oh baby. I just got this new top. It's cute. And then this is from Boohoo. It's cute. It's got like a really nice slit and like good place.
I love this necklace.
The
Going
necklace.
through the bottom of the bathing suit top. Super
Yeah,
cute.
it's a good touch. I may wear earrings. I don't know. I don't want to be like too much because I'm like all white right now. Maybe I'm just
You're always wearing earrings, look.
I know, but I have other ones. I don't know what to do with my hair. Should I just like leave it like that or should I like clip it?
No, I think it looks really pretty just like that.
Okay, but the curls are gonna like die. Like they're already dying.
Well,
Look at that.
I think you still look great. I like you better with your hair down always.
I know, but I could like clip it like.
Like up there.
Yeah.
Maybe bring the clip. I can keep it in my pocket.
Okay.
Alright, bye.
Before like 3 because we got here at like 2:30 and it was like dead. So come at like 3. Come at like 4. Yeah. Because what is it now? It's like almost 5 now. Yeah. Come like now. Now it's hopping. If you already go. Okay. The drinks are also so expensive, so we ended up getting like a package. We got 5 drinks for €60, so that's like, oh my god, we just spent like $75.
12 each.
12?
12 for each drink.
$12, €12 per drink, so it's like $15 a drink, which is still like crazy. Yeah, it's insane. It's insane.
We just got out of Ocean Beach. Here's our quick insight, honestly, truthfully. So I think Ocean Beach holds a lot of like daytime events, like early in the day. I honestly don't think you should pull up like at 12, hell, or even like 2 p.m. is just like way too early. Maybe around like 4, or probably the evening, like early evening, maybe even like 6 p.m. is fine, which is around the, right now, which is the time we left, but
5 to 6, I would say, is the best time to get there.
And to be honest, like, if you're gonna go to Ocean Beach, like, you might as well just spend the extra money to buy yourself like a little cabana or a place to sit down or something. because it's honestly, I mean, as fun as it is, and there's like, you know, good music and a decent dance floor and good drinks and everything. I mean, it really is like more of a place to chill and spend the day at. Most people are just hanging out, you know, having a good time, but you know, there's not like a whole ton of people around the dance floor doing like a ton of, you know, big active stuff. But
the drinks were amazing. The food looked amazing.
Yeah.
And there's so much like, okay, I'll take there's so much like American food here, which is nice, but also
and
like
British.
you know, and British. But like I also would prefer eating like Spanish food since I am like in Spain. But like also Spanish food can be like, no offense, because like the fish, I don't know, I'm not like a huge fan of fish or like
no
red
seafood
meat.
for her.
Yeah, so like it's kind of hard to like find things. Like there's so much like American food in Ibiza, which is so nice. And
American friendly food, I would say. American
yeah, and like
friendly.
they have like chicken burgers. Like you could not find that like anywhere. Like they have chicken burgers. Like I don't know, maybe that's like an English thing. England English. But yeah, food at Ocean Beach Club looked so good. But like a sandwich was like 18, 19 euros.
Yeah, I mean, get ready to spend like a whole ton of money there, and honestly it's pretty much worth it. Like you're guaranteed to have a good time, but I mean, you honestly might as well just save the extra money and buy yourself like, you know, like a little cushion or chair or whatever to go chill on, because that's all it is about. Like everyone's just hanging out, and you know, you might as well just do it. It's pretty much like the vibe there is just chilling.
So fun though, I liked it. So we're probably gonna get some tapas today. Right now it's
early.
6:15.
It's like 6:15.
So we're probably just gonna have like a little snack
6:15, yeah. Do
and
some
then-
pre-gaming, and then we're doing some real raging. Like some real raging.
tonight. So hopefully that'll be fun.
Yeah, definitely.
But like honestly, it's like we have like 3 full days here, and this is our first full day, and I feel like we're spending like 200 euros. Like it's ridiculous. Like all of our budget is gonna be gone by the end of like today.
It's worth it. We're having such a fucking good
Ibiza.
time.
Oh, the crowd. Can we talk about the crowd?
Yeah.
The crowd. Okay, the crowd at the club was like pretty much everyone was like our age.
It's weird.
And then,
No, it's like a mix of like older people
Yeah.
and then people in their mid-20s.
yeah, but then you get like
regular.
a little like splash of like 70-year-olds.
Yeah, like
like-
you got like a splash of cougars everywhere
Yeah,
you
I
go.
Yeah, so that was very, very interesting. But like honestly, if I were 70, like I'd go to like
we
Ocean Beach.
throw it down here, yeah.
Honestly, I'd be like standing on a table as like a 70-year-old. Yeah, but that's tips for Ocean Beach. Yeah, so we're gonna go get some tapas and then go out later tonight. We definitely missed our turn.
See
Oh,
ya.
but we're getting tapas.
Ibiza rocks.
The restaurant, not the club. So apparently,
This is the chicken pita.
yeah, they're known for it.
Yeah, apparently this is supposed to be really good.
Yeah.
We got some side salads too.
Also, this is called Harry Potter sauce. You can only get it in England, but they have it in Ibiza because of all the Brits here. So I'm gonna be taking some to go.
Woo!
So I hope you guys found our Ocean Club tips useful. I am making a part 2 of our Ibiza trip, and for the second half of our trip we were able to switch hotels, so we got into like a really just like much nicer hotel. We also didn't end up going clubbing as much, but we ended up more like exploring like the island itself, and we even got to like rent an ATV to do that, which was really, really fun. So we got to like just like see the island as a whole, and yeah, it was really nice. So definitely stay tuned for that because I'm going to be making like another video for it. So yeah, thanks for watching.